Okay, we're out here at Lakeside, California, and I stopped on my ride today because I've been meaning to talk to you about my Lucky Speed Shop Shorty trigger levers. So I'm just going to take a second and get a couple camera angles on these. So these are the bronze model, and I got these directly from Lucky Speed Shop. I think the price at the time was about $150 for them. I think the price, yeah, about $150. And I put these on. I saw a couple other YouTubers with them, and I really liked them, and I thought they would match pretty well with the bronze of the wheels. It's not an exact match. I don't know how it's going to look on camera, but it's good. What I like about them most is this little trigger cutout right here, this little notch. I'm able to get in there with just one finger and activate the clutch. That's kind of a neat little feature. I don't know why I like that, but I like it. It's a neat little feature. They've been super sturdy. I've had them on here for probably about 2-3 months and probably about 1,000 miles, and no issues whatsoever. This is Southern California, so it's about 100 degrees out, so no issues with it like fading in the sun or anything like that. The paint's really good, consistent. There's a nice little sparkle to it too when you get real close on it and it gets the light directly on it. Yeah, I really like these. There's tons of videos out there on how to install them, but the installation is very easy. Matter of fact, I might link one down in the description below, but these are the Lucky Speed Shop Shorty levers.